In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Xero bank account in just 5 minutes. First things first, you'll want to make your way over to Xero. Xero.com is where all the magic happens, and it's your gateway to managing your financial information seamlessly. So go ahead and type that into your browser and wait for the website to load. Once you're on the home page of Xero, you're going to want to find your way to the login button. It's usually located in the top right corner of the page. It's pretty hard to miss. Give that a click and you'll be on your way to the next step. Next up, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. This means typing in your email address and the password you set up when you created your Xero account. Remember, keeping your password secure is vital, so make sure you're not sharing it or making it something easily guessable. After you've entered your email and password, simply click on the login button to proceed. If you've input everything correctly, you'll find yourself on the dashboard of your Xero account. This is where you can access a wide array of features that Xero offers. Now it's time to find the accounting tab. You might need to scroll a bit or look around, but it shouldn't be too hard to find. The accounting tab is your gateway to the financial side of things, and it's where you can access your chart of accounts. To make things easier, you might even find a direct link to the accounting tab in the video description, or by following the URL provided in the tutorial material. Once you've clicked on the accounting tab, your next move is to click on Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is essentially a list of all the accounts used by your business. It's where you can see everything at a glance and make necessary adjustments, such as deleting an account, which is exactly what we're about to do. At this stage, you should see a list of all your accounts. To delete a bank account, you'll need to find it in this list. Once you've found the account you wish to delete, check the box next to it. This action selects the account, marking it for a specific action, in our case, deletion. Now, with the account selected, your next action is to click on Delete. This might prompt you to take a moment and ensure you're deleting the right account. Deleting an account is permanent upon confirmation, and you want to be absolutely sure it's the correct move for your business. After clicking delete, a dialog box will likely appear asking if you're sure about this decision. It's here to ensure you're certain about deleting the account because, as mentioned, this action is irreversible. If you're sure, go ahead and click on OK. And with that, you've successfully deleted a bank account in Xero. It's worth noting that this process cleans up your chart of accounts and ensures that your financial records are accurate and up to date. Always make sure to double check which account you're deleting to avoid any unwanted surprises. Just a few additional tips before we wrap up. Always ensure you have backed up any necessary information before deleting accounts. Sometimes you might need historical data for reference, and once an account is deleted, retrieving that information can be challenging. Deleting bank accounts in Xero is a straightforward process, but it's crucial for maintaining the integrity of your financial data. Whether you're simplifying your account structure or closing a bank account, knowing how to manage your chart of accounts efficiently can make a significant difference. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to delete a bank account in Xero. Remember, managing your finances effectively is key to running a successful business, and Xero's suite of tools is designed to help you do just that. Feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions. See you next time.